Hello everyone, welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger's channel. In this video, we will show you how to create a hello text effect for your video opening using VideoProc Vlogger. So if you're interested in this one, keep watching the video. Open VideoProc Vlogger. First, we need to create some text masks. Click on this button to create a text layer. Then, in the input box, enter the desired content. Next, choose a slightly thicker font. Find the offset in text shadow and adjust the value to 0 to remove the text shadow. Next, in the preview window, adjust the size and position of the text in the box through zooming and moving, and make the text occupy the entire frame. Click this button to take a screenshot. The system will automatically open a folder. Import the image back into VideoProc Vlogger. Delete the text layer in the timeline, and then import a piece of music. Use split and ripple edit to trim the music to the proper length. Then, click here to enter the audio editor. First, select a small portion at the beginning and add a fading effect. Next, we need to mark the beat of the music. You can click on the analyzer and check audio beat to let the software analyze the music automatically. Or use the shortcut key M to manually mark the beat points. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Next, we need to create some overlay tracks. The number depends on the number of letters in the frame. For example, if there are 3 letters in the frame, then create 3 overlay tracks. After that, drag the text layer to the bottom overlay track and make it fit to the screen. Use Ripple Edit to change the layer's duration to about 10 seconds. Now, find Compositing. Select Darken as a blend mode for the layer, and the screen will turn completely black. Then click here to lock the layer. Import 3 video clips, and be careful that the subjects in the 3 clips should correspond to the positions of the letters in the frame, such as left, center, and right. Next, drag the first video clip into the overlay track above the text layer. Adjust the size and position of the image in the preview window, making the main subject appear in the first letter as much as possible. Then, click here to enter the crop editor to crop out the excess, and adjust the position again to make it appear only in the first letter. Repeat similar steps for the second and third clips. Finally, import the third clip into the top overlay track. Make it fit to the screen, and the character here in the frame may not be in the letter. Click here to enter the motion editor. Set the first keyframe on the far left. Then adjust the box according to the position of the text to make the character move in corresponding direction. After that, move each clip's position on the timeline based on the marked points of the music. Unlock the text layer after completion. Based on the last mark in the music, we set a keyframe in the text layer, and then enter the motion editor. Set the first keyframe at a mark. Make the box fit to the screen. And then set a second keyframe 60 frames later to shrink the box and create a zooming effect. Change the speed to speed up, and set a keyframe at the end of the timeline. Click Apply to return to the main interface. Drag the playhead to the marked point. Use Ripple Edit to trim the first 2 clips to 40 frames after the playhead, and add a fade out to both clips with a duration of about 0.4 seconds. Finally, set a mark in the first clip. Enter the motion editor. Set a keyframe at a mark, and set a third keyframe 40 frames later to return the image to the center. Change the speed to speed up, and click Apply. This completes the effect of the hello text opening. Well, that's it for today's video. If you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!